And here we are. 10, Zuan Bersama, Zuan family, trust yourself, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So you probably know what I'm going to say with that. I would just have subscribe here. 1.95 thousand subscribers. Super cool. Oh, you're so close to 2,000. That's cool. So I like the theme here. I would just say, like, as far as the profile picture, the text is so small, like it's really hard to read. even the name of your family. I mean, you're pretty much mimicking what your banner is, but it's really hard to see that. So I'm interested to see what other colors you use for your thumbnails. But let's go ahead and scroll down. Everybody, let me know what's your opinion so far. Please give feedback. That'd be great for the Zuanhardie family. All right, so let's see here. All right, cooking, April Fools. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, okay. Hold on, I'm not gonna say anything yet. I'm not gonna say anything. Create a playlist, uploads, popular uploads. So you're using the default that YouTube gave you. Make your own playlist 100%. 100%. Make your own playlist. And I'm interested to see, let's see your channel keywords. We have PewDiePie. All right, I see you. Cooking, unboxing, Gundam. That's Gundam Wing. That's cool. Cool show. Review. I would have longer tailed keywords for your channel keywords, more geared towards the channel you plan on making. And even this kind of tells me here that the content's pretty spread out unless you recently niched down on your content. Game show, birthday party, city mall, slow-mo. So you're hitting up shorts. That's good. By the way, my recent shorts video I made, I did a little test with Premiere Pro, and when I was exporting it, I cropped it before I exported it to 9:16, and I don't think it's showing up as a shorts video. So we'll talk about that later. Just popped in my head. But anyways, 3 weeks ago, I mean, you're posting a lot of videos. That's great. So it's great because I see you're posting a lot of shorts, so that's cool. But let me see. Unboxing. Okay, so first I'm going to look. So we have Deadpool and Spider-Man at Port Dixon. We have family live stream, laundry park for kids, Nerf Mega. Come back in a big scale. Yeah, so a couple things that really kind of stand out to me is the thumbnails themselves. I always like to see how long people have been on YouTube. Like, you've been on for a minute, and I can say, let's really start focusing on thumbnail improvement, because they're pretty much consistent from one day ago here to like down here. Like there's not like this big change within your thumbnail. So we should see like that big jump, big difference between the two. And I don't know how focused in you are on the keyword research, because it does seem like general search terms too. So going from 1.95 thousand subscribers to 5,000, I would have a clear image on what the content's about. And even for shorts, guys, it's even for shorts, swing slow-mo shorts. Maybe somebody's looking for park play, but then the next video is something like this or something like that. You know what I mean? So even shorts, that's like the biggest testing factor for YouTube Shorts is going to be still making content relevant to the other content. Oh man, I'm losing my voice. Okay. Let me know if you guys agree. What do you guys think? Oh, okay. Thank you for that. It means 10 years. Okay. Let me know what you guys think in the chat. Do you guys agree with me? Love to know. Playlists. So yeah, it looks like you have some custom playlists here. Yeah, we'll throw those in your home. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of, you've been on YouTube now for a while, and we want to focus down on the content itself, and then I would further expand your description. So just another good example at 2,000 subscribers, we got to have that description. We got to have that keyword research. Our thumbnails got to look better than, channels that's just starting off. We want to see those improvements. We want to, at this point, we should be niched down. So yeah, I would definitely say subscribe, click that bell, Zuanhardie family. I want to see you guys reach more milestones. There's going to be some work to get there. I know you can, and I'm excited to see where your growth takes you, but that is my honest feedback. And I hope you enjoyed your review. And I love that too. By the way, I love seeing channels in here who have more subscribers than me. I think that's super cool. And I appreciate you being willing to listen to my feedback too. So just so you know, I don't care how many subs I have. I know I have value, and I know you guys have value. All of us have value. Don't undermine your value because of the amount of subscribers you have. Like, think about it. What if you're a doctor? Just say that. I don't think anybody's in here are doctors. But if you were a doctor and you started becoming a YouTuber, would you say that you have value? Yeah. Does it mean you're a YouTuber? Does it mean like you got it all figured out? No. Take your time. But that doesn't mean you don't have value. If you are a gamer, you love gaming. You play games that you love. You are you. Like, you have value. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. We all have value. It's just about finding that value and expressing that value and getting people to connect with that value. So, and of course, it's about finding the audience and all that other stuff. But the